Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with an unboxing, and what we're looking at today is the D23 Fantastic Worlds kit that comes as your exclusive membership gift when you subscribe to D23 in 2020 at the gold level membership or above. Now, everything that's in here is themed to an imaginary place. It could be the theme parks, could be movies. Opening up the box, we have an assortment of goodies. There's a park map, well, a themed map, your membership card for the year, and some other things that we'll get to in just a moment. Now this map, it's all locations from different stories from Disney films, Disney theme parks. You can kind of see it looks almost like the old retro style Disneyland souvenir maps. And I actually have Magic Kingdoms and Epcot's from the Destination D 40th anniversary event. I believe this is the same size, which is really cool. So you could frame this one in addition to the other souvenir maps you have, should match the sizes. There's quite a few obscure things on here for Disney fans. That includes Toyland from Babes in Toyland. It includes the Giant's Castle from Fun and Fancy Free. So there are a lot of really fun details to kind of go over. Splash Mountain is in here, so there are, again, some theme park locations. I see Spaceship Earth up here in the corner, but it's not necessarily a theme park map. So it's no theme park that you can actually visit, but a really cool imaginary one. I'm in love with that. We have a patch celebrating 65 years of Disneyland. It says, "Visit Disneyland USA, the happiest place on Earth." And then there is a series of postcards underneath that. We have Space Mountain, Bahia from the Three Caballeros. We have Cloud City from Star Wars. We have Treasure Island from Treasure Island. There's Planet X from the Marvel Universe, Guardians of the Galaxy. And Paris, where everybody wants to be a cat, from the Aristocats, and Pandora from the Avatar series and Disney's Animal Kingdom, and that completes the postcard set. Now over here, this is a cloth or a bandana, and I have already seen some people getting creative and using this as a mouth cover in these unusual times. It says, "Adventure is out here" instead of out there, and it does have Mickey Mouse kind of going on his own adventure, has the D23 compass logo from this set down at the bottom there. Lastly, we have this 6-pin set. These are all exclusive to this release. There's one for the Swiss Family Treehouse, which is one of my favorite locations in Disney parks, Tony's Restaurant from Lady and the Tramp, Bald Mountain from Fantasia, Asgard from Thor, Pizza Planet from Toy Story, and Hoth from Star Wars. So those are really cool. And again, all of this, plus your membership card and a letter that I didn't include, all comes with your 2020 membership to D23. And you can, if you aren't already a member, you can subscribe. You can go to d23.com. They do have a free level of membership, which wouldn't come with any of this swag. But if you do the paid membership at the gold level or above, you get this plus the quarterly Disney 23 magazine, which will be coming soon. We haven't received ours yet, but definitely looking forward to that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy and safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.